So in this video we will see perspective process model. So let's understand what is perspective and what is process model. So perspective is nothing but it is prescribe a process element, that is framework activity, software engineering action, task, work product, quality assurance, change control mechanism for each project. And process model is nothing but it is prescribing a process flow, that means how the process elements are interrelated to the each other. So for this I refer the our Pressman book. So these are the models which cover in prospective process model: waterfall, incremental process model, evolutionary, concurrent model, and final word on a evolutionary process. So we will see waterfall model and incremental process model. The waterfall model is also called as a classic life cycle. So it contains these are steps, that is communication, planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. So these all steps we know. So if there are some problem when we use a waterfall model, then the first one is this model is basically follow a sequential flow. So if any changes is made, then it will create a confusion as the project team proceed further. So basically, of course, and it is also difficulty to the customer to state the requirements at the initial state because it's a sequential flow. Then customer require patience because when period of project is complete, then only customer can see the final product. This is the V model, which is a variation in the representation of the waterfall model. This diagram I'm taken from this book. So in this software team start from the left hand side, that is requirement gap modeling, architectural design, component design, code generation. So then after the code generation, software team move to the right hand side. So here we can here see the right hand side is contain all the testing part is there. So this V model is basically show how verification and validation actions are applied to earlier engineering work. So this is incremental process model where it is combining the linear and a parallel process flow, and this is the diagram for the incremental model which contain these steps: communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. So communication is very important, it's a very first step. Then planning, modeling is contain analysis and design, construction it contain the coding part and testing part, and deployments deliver the final product. So let us consider we having word processing software. So incremental process model have increment stages: increment 1, increment 2, increment 3, increment 4, up to increment n. So if we consider the word processing software, then in increment 1 stage it contains this type of operation like basic file management, editing. Then in increment 2 stage, sophisticated editing, document production is contained. So in increment 3 it contains spelling and grammar checking. In increment 4 stage, advanced page layout capability is contained. So this is nothing but incremental process model. So this incremental process model and waterfall model is come under the prospective process model. Thank you.